Hello friends, welcome to a new video of Microsoft Excel 2016. Today's topic is very interesting and that is Flashfill. This is one of the most flexible and time-saving feature in Excel which was first introduced in Excel 2013. Sometimes we have to enter the similar type of data again and again, which is of course very frustrating and time consuming. Instead of manually entering the data repeatedly, Flashfill feature automatically fills the data by guessing what type of information we are entering or extracting from the adjacent columns. This feature works when it sends a sequence or a pattern in data entry. With the help of this feature, we can extract, insert, split, combine, and can even reverse text, dates, numbers, and much more. So let's see how flash fill feature work. In this training workbook, I have a detail of some employees. Suppose I received this detail from one of my colleague and this does not look very attractive to me. You can see that names are in capital letters. Both first and last name are in separate columns. So instead of using two columns, I want the full name in one column here. Remember that here I can also use concatenate formula, and there are a couple of more options to join two or more cells, but all those formulas have some limitations. Here contact numbers are also very difficult to read, so I want this detail in arranged and easily understandable format. One way is that I enter all the names manually. Right now I have only few rows, but what if names are 10,000 or 20,000? In that case I need a lot of effort and time to manually enter all of them. To solve this problem, Excel introduced flash fill feature. So let's start with the names. First of all, insert a new column adjacent to the last name column. Here, right click, insert. Okay, first and last name columns are referenced column, and the new column I just inserted is flash filled column. In cell C2, type the full name of employee in a way you want it to appear. Now I want that first alphabet of both first and last name should be in capital letters and the remaining alphabets must be in small letters. So let me type the name uh, Rahim, sorry, Rahim Yusuf, enter. So now the real magic starts here. In cell C3, when I type the first alphabet T, just see that Excel sends the pattern and highlight all the names below in my desired format. Now all I have to do here is to press the enter key and it's done. No matter even if I have thousands of rows, it will be done in seconds. This is just unbelievable. That's the beauty of this feature. Now let's move to contact numbers column. Again insert a new column here. Right click, insert. Type the number in required format in cell E2. Let me type the number 98-324-533-245. Sorry, 2245. Enter. Now this time go to Data tab and then click Flash Fill, and it's done. This is just mind blowing. Now in area code column I have a detail of some kind of a code here, then region and the employee code. I want to split this data into three separate columns. Again insert three columns here, right click, insert. Now in cell G2 type the code BS101, enter. Now this time I will use the shortcut key of flash fill, that is CTRL E, and you will get the code here. Again in cell H2 type the region north, enter, CTRL E, and you will get the region here. Follow the similar same procedure in cell I2. Again type the employee code 98783, enter, CTRL E, and here are the employees codes. Okay, now just get rid of these columns. Right click, delete, rename the column, name contact number, some kind of a code here, region, and employee code. Just change the color, home tab, and make it bold. Readjust the column width, and it's done. Now this detail looks a little bit attractive, not so, but a little bit. Okay, now this feature is extremely flexible, and you can use it according to your requirements, but there are also some conditions for using this feature. First of all, this feature works perfectly if data is more consistent. There should be no empty columns between the column that is being flash filled and the referenced column. Now maybe sometimes flash fill feature don't work after typing only one row. In that case, type 4 or 5 rows manually, and then try to use flash fill. If flash fill feature is turned off, then go to File tab, then Options, and then Advanced, and make sure that automatically flash fill option is checked, and then click OK. Now it's up to you how you use this feature. Suppose insert a new column here. Now this time I will type Yusuf, comma Ibrahim, enter, Control E, and it's done. So this feature is extremely flexible. So that's all for flash fill feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You will find more Excel related videos there. You can also like my Facebook page. Address is given below in description. If you have any question, just post it on my Facebook page or send me a message. I will try to answer as soon as possible. So that's all for today. See you. Take care. Bye bye.